Me and someone named Angel Boost are going to be battling it out in Discord bot building competition. He's going to be using discord.py as for coding, and I'm going to be using a program called Discord Bot Maker. One is actual coding, one is visual, so let's see which one is better. Let's see which bot comes out on top. Let's get right into it. 2-hour timer starts right now. So here I am creating the bot, but what I didn't know is that Angel Boost was already created his bot and was already coding. So big mistake on my part. Okay, bot setup took longer than it should, and I've already lost some time, so so I'm gonna make this like a chatting / moderation bot, if that makes any sense to you. We're gonna make the moderation commands at first. So I just started making commands thinking I was making that bot. And I want you to guess how much I was able to get done. Just kidding, don't even guess because I hardly got anything done. Have to find a color for this band in bed. Alright, I just finished the band command. I have no clue if this is actually gonna work, so let's actually just go ahead and test it right now. And I'm gonna invite my other account to the server just to see if this works. Okay, well, it didn't work. Oh boy. And this was the point that I realized that I couldn't make the bot all fancy with this program. I was trying to make a kick and ban messages have more than one response that it could have, but it didn't end up turning out that way. Okay, so I did end up getting it working. It took me quite a hot minute to figure it out. I was gonna do originally a random response for the ban thing, but I guess you can't. There's some things you can't do without coding. So try and do the ban command real quick. Let's test this out. And still, after trying to figure the ban and kick commands out, this happened. And it still didn't work. And after wanting to jump out the window, I finally got it working. See if this works. Should work. There we go. It finally works. Bako was banned from the server from Sensei me. And then it works just the same if you don't provide a reason. And it just won't say for whatever they were banned for. And then also, if you don't have correct permissions, it will send an imperial response, aka a private response to the user, and tell them that basically they don't have the correct permissions. But it's a creative kind of message. Let me say that I could probably pull it up right now. Let me see. Yeah, if they don't have permissions, you do not have permissions to use this command. Better luck next time, young one. That sounds kind of messed up, but that's what we're going with. Here, I'm just working on a mute command. I got the kick and ban command done. I'm just working on the mute command. Let's just hurry up and get these moderation commands done so we can get to the fun stuff. We're just gonna add a ban, kick, and mute command for right now. Now let's start adding some fun commands. So let's create a new folder we do not want it inside. I tried making a setup command that would only make it to where you can only use certain commands in a channel, but what I didn't realize till later is that you can't do that in Discord Bot Maker, but you can with code. So I'm kind of screwed. I need to add mods to make this command work, but I don't feel like wasting my time. Actually, you know what? Screw it, I'm adding mods. So let's just go ahead and say hello. And it's not going to do anything, which is weird. Must be something wrong. Alrighty, I finally think I got the mods working. So that might be why. It wasn't why. Yeah. I'm running into some problems here. I made a test / command and it's not showing up for some reason. Alright, we're gonna have to change the subject of the bot. So instead of this being kind of like a chat bot, I'm going to make it kind of like a play around shop kind of bot. And I'm gonna have to make this quick. Let's add something, show the shop, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and make some shop commands and I'll get back to you. The first thing I made was the shop itself, and that was easy to make because it's almost just an embed message. But if you haven't picked up the pattern by now, you know that something went wrong. The message sent, but it did not send any of the emojis that I wanted to put in the message. Now, I only put one item in here for right now, but let's test the shop real quick. Shop. And for some reason, it's not showing up again. Okay, great. This is why you can never rely on programs. You should always just use code. Maybe harder, but it's more reliable, in my opinion. There we go. We now have the command. And it looks like the emoji did not work for it. So now I have a command where you can buy an item. So let's do none chucks. And it says I bought the nunchucks. So now I have to go ahead and finish my inventory thing real quick. So I tried multiple different ways of trying to get this inventory command to work, but my brain just could not figure it out. So I was unable to make a inventory command. So I'm such a failure. Okay, and now I'm almost running out of time here. So let's check the inventory command. Okay, this is the last thing I need. It doesn't even work. Okay. I wasn't able to make a display inventory, so, actually, you know what? I actually might be able to substitute it. So, actually, let's make inventory again. Okay, well, I'm just about out of time, so let's go ahead, jump into a Discord call, and show them how much of a disappointment that I turned out to be. When I show you the bot, it's a big disappointment, so...
Let's see it, I want to see it.
Okay, I'm just warning you, it's kind of bad.
Don't worry, I've seen worse.
I like to see those bots then.
Oh, no you don't. Oh. No, you don't.
Okay.
Half of the commands don't even work.
Yeah, yours is way better than mine already. Okay, so I had lots of problems with making this because I prefer using code rather than using like this. And in my opinion, you have a lot more freedom using code.
I even was able to set up a database for warrants and like all that. That took me the longest, by the way, other than anti-spam. Anti-spam took a while too. Oh, that's an interesting name.
Oh yeah, I was having trouble thinking of the name, so I just picked something random.
Oh, I just went with 2-hour bot.
Oh, so I didn't have time to make much commands because, like I said, I have trouble making some of the commands, so I just said screw it and.
Bye. Wait, there's a shop. There's no help command. Wait, what's the shop look like?
Yeah, like I said, it's pretty bad.
Oh, but I love it. You know what? We should probably work on this bot with actual code because I like this.
I could probably make this a whole lot better.
Okay, let's look at mine.
Yeah. Yours is way better already. Let's see it.
So instead of help, as you see in the status, I decided to make it mod help since I was only gonna be able to put mod commands in.
So you made like a moderation bot?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead, try to spam.
I thought about doing that, but then I was like, I want to try and make a more complicated thing, and it didn't end up working out. So
go ahead and try to spam. Go ahead.
Spam. Okay. Oh, 3 of them.
Did you get timed out?
I don't think so. I can still type.
Alright. Then probably because you have administrator here. I'm gonna take away your perms. Try spamming now.
Alright. Okay, yeah, I just got timed out. That's actually clever.
Oh yeah. I was gonna add like anti-hate speech.
You even added a little made by you at the bottom. I like that. Oh crap, I just tried to use one of my commands. Apparently it was working before, but now it's not for some reason. Yeah, I just came up with an idea and just started doing stuff with it.
Hey, it's good. I like it.
You made a database?
Oh yeah, I made a database.
See, that's the one thing I don't know how to do.
Anyways, this was a fun video. Should we get to editing our videos now?
Yeah, mine's gonna take a really long time to edit. So, crap. That just goes to show you that learning code and doing code is a lot better than doing this, because you run into a lot of problems using more problems than you probably would on coding using a system like that. And you also have more freedom with coding, and also it also kind of depends on what bot you're also making. But yeah, that's I'd say Angel Boost 1. Come on, I just need to face it, Angel Boost 1. But yeah, that's gonna be it for the video, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy, and if you did, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.